watching Digibyte's chart today, and I do like what I see. So even Bitcoin is up. Bitcoin broke through 22,000 in the last 24 hours, which is a good positive sign. And what we're trying to do with Digibyte is to get out of this. If we could call this a double bottom reversal, number one, it has to keep going up to reverse and not turn around and come down. I'm a little ill at ease with the stock markets, and I'll tell you why in a second. But anyway, I like what I see on Digibyte's chart. Now we're really splitting hairs here. We're going to look at this. This is a moving average, this red one here. This is my 8-day moving average, and it's about to cross the 21-day moving average. We need this. We need these things to cross way back up here. So we're starting to get closer to that. Now, I'd also like to see Digibyte break through, and this is not a big, huge move, the penny 0.1, penny and a tenth of a cent. So 0.011. If we can get here and get above that, I'll feel a little bit better about all of this. So that's what I'm waiting for. But Digibyte is holding strong at over a penny right now. And we haven't, this is good. We've had that going on for what, the second day? Yes, the second day at over a penny. So that's a start. I mean, that's a start. So if we get everything else going, I don't want to talk too much about Bitcoin. Bitcoin can talk for itself, but it did break above 22,005, if my line is right. So that's positive news there. And there is some buying in. What I would like to see with Digibyte though, the volumes, I'm not excited about the volumes quite yet. That's pretty low. I don't know what people are waiting for. I mean, Digibyte at a penny? This isn't financial advice. Yeah, it could turn around and go lower, but I'd like to see more volume here for sure. When it spiked down low, people got excited. But I kind of think people are going to ape into Digibyte on the up. They're not waiting for the bottom for some reason. Because check this out. Like, it started to go up here, and then something happened, and it just spiked up. This was in March 2022. A lot of things going on then. But we have, when things go up, we can count on volume then. So the smart money are buying at the bottom, are buying low. And when we could press a chart like this, it does look like a bottom. But we'll see what happens. So like I said, I just like the way the chart is starting to line up, starting to stack. It's trying to stack this way to get itself stacked positive again instead of stacked negative. And we'll see what happens. And like I said, FOMO is kicking in. FOMO with people who actually are trying to buy the dip and buy the bottom. And once it starts hitting 3, 4, 5 cents, I'm thinking a lot more people will be aping in. But we will see. We will see. Because there's still a lot of fear. The fear and greed index is pretty crappy. So, okay, anyway, just to wrap it up, I'll jump over to the SP 500. And what do we have here? We have, I don't trust it. I think we're going to have another pullback, but let's hope I'm wrong. I don't mind being wrong, especially if it goes up. So same thing with the NASDAQ. I think this is kind of temporary and we could have another run in. The month of August, could be end of July, August. I'm pretty sure that's when the FANG stocks have their quarterly earnings report, and they might not be that healthy, so it could have a negative effect on the stock market too. But once we're out of that, and if we can get some relief on those interest rates and a grasp on inflation, and well, oil, I think we're just going to be screwed when it comes to going to the gas station for quite some time. But the inflation rate, if we can get a handle on that, and if they can stop with increasing interest rates, that would help us a lot. So 2 out of 3 ain't bad if that happens. So that's about all I have. But you know what? Like I said, Digibyte, I'm liking what I see. I'd like to see more volume, but hey, I can't force people to buy in. And that's it. I'm getting FOMO. I want more Digibyte myself. A bottom is a bottom, but who knows? Not financial advice. I'm not telling you buy it. I'm not telling you to sell it. I'm just looking at the chart and saying, I like what I see, and I hope this thing can break through this line here, which isn't that far to go. I'll feel a little bit better. And everything else, the markets and good old Bitcoin follow suit. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.